Good afternoon all. It is a very warm overcast day today, and I've decided I'm going to do a potato harvest. Now, I was hoping to hold it off until they are properly dead, but they still keep going and going and going. This one, however, I think is starting to look a bit bedraggled, and I'm so curious as to know what's in the box. So we're going to do this harvest. I've got to get rid of these weeds, and we're going to start setting up this garden bed proper like, hopefully. So let's see how we went. If I can pull any out, and guess what? I don't think they're big enough. But there are potatoes in there. Yeah, definitely needs a lot longer. So right, we might be able to replant that. So what do we got? We got potatoes. This is not the best way to do it because I'm right underneath a bush. And are you kidding me? Is that it? After all that, that's it. These potatoes were grown in a box, guys, so, you know, I may as well do this one too. I'm sick of looking at it. So, the leaves are so big, you'd think there'd be more potatoes. And there might be. Oh. They don't look terribly good. I'm not too keen on putting my hand in that. Hang on. May have been watered a bit too well. So we'll see how we go. Mushed up. This does not look good. All those leaves for nothing. Wow, I'm glad I did not water any further than that. And I'm a bit worried about the other box now. Yeah, totally a big fail. And something been munching on that one. Oi. What a disappointment. You think with all those leaves there'd be potatoes there, but there wasn't. Another failure. Let's have a look around. I tried to upload a celery harvest the other day, but the video is too long. YouTube's not letting me do videos over 15 minutes at the moment, so I have to keep an eye on the time. Okay, I'm glad I did not take that any further. Oh, that was an effort. So, I'm going to show you something. I think we'll start over here. Could have been left a lot longer, but my patience in growing potatoes. It's not that great. But look at this. The signs are there that I've got potatoes, I've got flowers. And this one, I will have it harvest once on its own. And that'll be a full video on its own. I'll be doing the whole bed. Have you noticed something? No date palms. But I've run out of wood chips, so we've got to get some more wood chips. That was a 3-hour job the other day. We've been having heavy rainfalls and hot days. And anybody think this weather was Darwin? Not LA. You know what? Seeing that was a bust. I want to get rid of this plant because it's way too close to the tomato plant. And I don't want to uproot the tomato plant. So let's have a look-see. This would be a total fail too. No, we've got one little one. Let me go and get my trusty shovel. I was not expecting to do this, but it is getting a bit crowded in that spot. So let's have a look. And I don't know where these potatoes are going. So I should be pointing at it. Nope, just the one. So that could be added to the other pile. I want to show you something here before I run out of time. I got tomatoes. Can you see them? These are Roma tomatoes. Yes, I know I've got reading to do. And yeah, so there we go in that one. Down here. Quick update. We've got sweet potatoes that are just about done. So is that date palm that I tried to replant. Yes, I know, reading, not my strong point. We have got spring onions coming through. Spinach is just about done there. My lemon tree, celery, let's not go there. My one and only lemon tree. I'd like to get another one actually. Where is it? Right there. See? I do have another one over here. But it's not going so well. So it's a slow progress. So that's it in a nutshell, guys. One day I'll get the hang of growing potatoes, but until then, I'll just have to leave it at that. Alright peoples, I've got to stop it there, otherwise it will not upload, and I know some of you have been hanging for an upload. We are going to have a storm tomorrow, 20 mil of rain on Saturday, 20 mil of rain on Sunday. So can't do anything about the gardening on the weekend, this weekend. So this is as good as it gets. Alright, talk to you all soon. Bye.